All right, hi guys. So today we are taking a look at the Euro Aussie. This is the weekly chart, and if I zoom out, we could clearly see that this market has been making lower lows and lower highs in a downtrend. We currently have the market at an area that was support. It pushed the market up twice in the past, and now it's the second time that the market is back up. The first time we already had that rejection and the market fell. This is where we're currently at right now. So when the market is at these areas, I like trades at these areas simply because it gives us good risk reward. Once we're up at this area here, we need to wait for rejection. So I already took profit on a first trade, which was this first candle here. We had some rejection up here. If we go down to the 4-hour, we could see the trade better. So we had a nice U-turn here at this level, and I took profit. What I did, I explained in the video that I sent out to clients. I said, look at this area here, because this is an area where the market could bounce. So one of the things that you need to be cautious with is not just entering long-term trades without proper confirmation. So even from my analysis, I think the market is going to fall from this area. It does not mean it's not going to do this and go back up and test or sometimes spike out. It's not going to just fall in a straight line. So what I do, we take profits cautiously along the way. So we sold here once. The market came here. I spoke about exiting here, taking some profit here, which is what I did. And now the market has U-turned and gone back up to that level. So based on the weekly, we still haven't broken that level. We're at that level. We're holding. This still looks good to me in terms of a sell trade. But what I need to see happening on the weekly, it will look like this, where from here, we're just going to see probably a straight fall for a couple weeks. But on the daily, just like we had up here, I'm going to need this to start to fall and maybe form some waves as the market is falling down. And that's when we want to get in selling this market. We want to wait until we get those lower highs, to sell. And that's what we want to sell. So when I go to the 4-hour, we don't currently have a trade right now as yet. But again, we want to see if the market rejects this level. If we come back below this level and we do something like this, come back to this level here, I want to sell again. But again, until we close below this level here, I cannot just say I'm going to be trading all the way down here. So even if I get a trade up here again, right, with the market breaking back into this level, I could only trade down to this first level here. When we break this level and we start going lower, that's when I would look to start to go after this longer term target. All right, so that's my game plan for the Euro Aussie. We're in a nice area. We don't currently have a setup as yet. We don't have an entry right now. But we need to wait and be patient, let the market do what it's going to do. And once we have that rejection and we stay below this 1.53700 area, once we stay below that area, we should be good for these sells. Let's see what the market does, guys.